This is the C.C.Jensen offline fine filter HDU 1512. This is the most compact filter unit in the C.C.Jensen fine filter line, and typically this is used on oil reservoirs between 1 liter and say a couple hundred liters, depending on the application and the type of contamination. I'll walk you through the components so you can understand how it works and the flow path. This unit is set up as a self-contained kidney loop, so it creates its own flow of oil through the filter. We'll start with the inlet port. Typically in Canada, these are equipped with JIC. You may have other connections. This is a 1/2 inch, as is pretty normal. From here, the oil travels in through the filter base and down into this aluminum pump block module at the bottom here. So this includes the oil pump on this side. It has the motor which drives it. This motor is available in several different voltages. The motor turns the pump, and part of the flow path through this block is this sample port. So this is a pre-filter sample port, which makes a convenient place to take samples off of your system. So simply unscrew the cap and you press this valve. It's a push button type, and it'll dispense oil into your bottle, so you can take a oil sample to send into a lab. From there, the oil passes into the filter housing. It goes through this chamber here where it will create pressure for the pressure gauge, and from there it forces the oil in through the outside of the filter insert, which is in the center of this canister, and as it fills, it will push the air to the top, which is vented through this screw. So loosen this screw and you'll hear the air hissing out. Once oil starts to weep out of there, you can tighten it up, keep it running, and now you know that your filter canister is full. As the oil travels up into the housing again, it's then pushed towards the filter housing where the filter element is. So the filter insert sits inside the housing, and the oil is pushed in from the outside through the media, this 3 micron absolute filter media, and down through the core, where it then passes directly to the filter outlet. When you go to change the filter, this is a drain port, so you can unscrew that. That will allow the oil to drain out of the housing, so you can now open it, take the filter out, and replace it. So that's the overview on the HDU 1512 offline fine filter. If you're interested to see how one of these can be used on your particular systems, please get a hold of us, and we'd love to set you up with a trial or give you any information that you might need.